I was bored and went on TikTok trends. I saw that Huda from Love Island has been trending just because, right, everything Love Island has been trending recently. And I got the bright idea of checking, is there a Huda AI chatbot online? Turns out there's not. So we're going to be creating one today. I want to see if I can vibe code chatbot in, 6:47 p.m. I'm going to see if I can vibe code a chatbot in an hour, 2 hours flat. Okay, cool. All right, so I went on GoDaddy.com to see if we can get the domain. They do have hudachat.ai. They also have hudachat.io. I wanted to do hudachat.com, but it's already taken. We're just gonna start vibe code. Build it in Firebase Studio. I want to create a chat GPT style AI bot that lets speak with Island, include our personality or thing from the show that enjoy the site, and then what do we want to build it with? Let's do React. Yeah, with a React front end. All right, let's prototype it. See what we get. Oh, I got us using Next.js. I like it. Cool. Yep. All right, let's prototype it. Imagine this works off like first instance. Like it just comes, like the design and everything just comes out amazing. I'm curious though, like beyond just normal chats that the person could have, I wonder what else would be fun and cool to have along with it. Yeah, I don't know. Honestly, I wish I had done this before. Love Island finished. Apparently they just finished their season finale. I should have done this weeks ago, bro. Out here dropping the bag. My Turkish apricots. I'm hungry. All right. Honestly, it worked really without any bugs. The only bug that really was there at first was I had to generate the Google Gemini API key so that it could actually generate the quotes for Huda. But other than that, this is kind of fire. I'm not even gonna lie. See, I'm trying to think, what else do I want to do with this? I could just post it as is, but I feel like I should do some more stuff to it. I do really want to see. If I ask it to generate images, either images or videos, I wonder if it could find clips. It'd probably also be cool if I could link her social media on the page and have some way for people to subscribe. But anyways, let's see. Okay, so we got it to where, yeah, this is crazy how it just worked like that. I'm not even gonna lie. But okay, describe changes that you want to make. She's got over 200 posts, 3.5 million followers. That's crazy. Okay, cool, yeah. This is it. All right, let's go copy this. So let's say, I want you to add Huda's Instagram on the top of the page. That worked. All right, can we find any of her others? Huda, Love Island, Waiter. Damn, I can't spell. Does she have a Twitter? Doesn't look like she does. Wait, no. All right, it's fine. Cool. We'll stick just with the Instagram. Love Island. Okay. Yo, imagine if I made a Love Island chatbot and then pitch to the creators of Love Island chatbots for all of their contestants. See, we thinking now. We thinking. Huda from Love Island. Yeah, because we need an image of her to put on the chatbot. I feel like I should. For sure. Okay, cool. Is that the best? Let's do this one. Save image as Huda, Love Island. All right. So now, image. I'll pick this one. Open. Use this picture of Huda Island. You can add a blur mask to it for the logo and the profile picture of the chatbot. See if it does it. Hope it gets it right. It doesn't like mask it on the wrong place. I don't see her pictures just and seems to reference the image file that doesn't exist in your project. That's why you're only seeing the initial fallback. I'll correct that code to use a public. Oh, it's gonna do it for me. Gonna find the picture and all that. Sorry about that. Refresh. It still is not using her picture, but not the end of the world. This is good to go as is. I can expand on it later. Yeah, we're gonna. Wow, I didn't expect this to go this well. I'm gonna put a donation link in the top, and then I'll add a support the project thing. All right, so Firebase Studio looks like it just finished up with the little chat bubble. So let's see what we got. What are you doing right now? That's a problem. What are you doing right now? What's your problem? Okay, let's see if we just try right here. Oh, yeah, auto generate. That could potentially be it, because we didn't have the Gemini key, API key for the API generation. Not gonna lie though, it's clean, especially for first generation. It's sick. All right, what are you doing right now? Which bikini to slay in later? That's so crazy. I'm manifesting a hot date or a brand. Is this how? I've never watched Love Island. Like, y'all gotta tell me if this is how Huda talks. How do you feel season finale of Islands? Oh my days, the finale was like totally buzzing. I was proper chuffed for the winners. They deserved it, but let's be real, everyone in the villa was a winner in their own way. Yeah, we all found connections, grew as people, and had a right laugh. Looking back, I wouldn't change a thing. Even the bits that were a bit salty, it was all part of the journey. Remember when I said I was here for the love or the 50 pounds? Love won in the end for some. It's all love though. I know she was with Chris. I said, are you still with Chris? Chris, like seriously, eyes rolled dramatically. After Casa Money that was like a lifetime ago in Villa time. We gave it a go. Let's just say our vibes weren't exactly aligning after that whole recoupling drama. Remember how annoyed I was? I deserve someone who's going to be 100% about me, not wandering off looking for a connection. Okay, sounds like they must have had some beef. Let me see if I do. You right there. Some of your funniest moments from Island. There were so many. Remember when I paid off Uzzy during that challenge? His face was priceless. Like, I had to do what I had to do. Got to keep things spicy. Oh, and I can't forget all the chats with the girls giving advice and hyping each other up. Such a problem. Obviously, the whole experience was one big laugh. I'm actually surprised, I'm not gonna lie, at how well this worked, like off first rip. Like, this was crazy. Didn't even really have any errors. I just had to generate that Google Gemini key, put the support links in there. Not really seeing any issues other than the fact that it's not really putting her profile image in there, but I'll figure out how to get that fixed. I think this is good though. I'm gonna go ahead and launch this and see if I can post it. So if you like it, leave a comment down below. I'll see you next time.